Hi guys.
What's that called?
Metal ooze lava.
And I'm here too.
Metal ooze. It's a lava lamp. Can I see it standing up? Looks like a lava lamp. Okay.
You're not showing me.
Well, we're trying to show the product.
I got it at Walmart.
We know you're here.
We got it at Walmart.
We did.
How much was it?
It was on clearance. $2.50.
And I got
I got it.
I got a cool race car there.
I would guess if it's on clearance, it's while supplies last. They don't have these sitting on the shelves now.
This was in a mystery box.
Yeah, we did a video for that.
Yeah, watch it link down below.
Just so you know, I'm going to be using my teeth.
You're using your teeth to open it? We have scissors and razors and stuff like that. Uh-oh.
What?
My flash went off. Because my battery's low.
I was going to say. Do you have scissors over there by any chance?
Yes.
Ow, I hurt my gums.
And also we got ice cream. It's good.
It's this one right here. Right in the center. Turn it sideways. Turn it sideways. No. Okay. Turn it. Don't move it. Just turn it. Okay, take it off.
This is it. I don't listen half of it.
Is there something?
I don't think there's anything in there. I think it's in the top one.
It smells like metal. That's all it smells like.
What is the
metal.
bottom? Just
I don't know.
yeah, I think it's just
Are you kidding me right now? This thing is big. So
I have the shot nails. You have the.
do it the same
You
way.
have the baby nails.
okay.
Just turn it.
I tried.
What
Here, you
me?
want to hold that?
Dad, can I try? I'm stronger than you.
No, you're not.
Uh-oh.
Wait, I want
It's not coming out. It's like
It's
suction.
right here.
I think you got to take that one off to release the suction.
Take this.
The bottom, the black.
How do I take that? Ah!
Does that go? Oh, it hooks up to it?
Yep. Look at it.
Hey,
Let me see.
I want to do it. Read the directions. 20 hours later. No. Can I hold it real quick? Like all of it, and then I'll give it to Aiden.
That's so slimy.
Oh my gracious.
Can I have some?
Ew.
Can I feel it? Oh, that's so cool. It feels like Jigglypuff float up in my mouth.
It feels like.
It feels like.
Oh my gosh.
It feels like Jigglypuff float up in my hands. It feels like Jigglypuff float up in my hands. Sweat.
Yuck. Sweat.
It doesn't stick,
I want another
but
one.
it makes your hands
That would have
sweat.
been good like 20 minutes ago.
Yeah, I know.
It's been 20 minutes.
Well, 4 minutes. Whatever.
All right,
So,
and that
yeah.
was Metal Ooze. The lava lamp metal ooze.
Gold.
Oh, gold edition. That's
It
right.
feels like Jigglypuff float up in my
Thanks for
hands.
watching, guys.
It feels like Jigglypuff